activities.
Good morning everyone. We are the students of class 3 unit and here to present our subject related obedience. Let's start our assembly with the prayer line followed by prayer and pledge.
Attention!
Spiritual discipline, it is training for the mind. It is training for the mind. It helps to build a person's character. We should obey our God, elders, parents, teachers, and our well-wishers. It's our duty to obey God, parents, elders, and teachers. We should always do what they tell us to do. Obedience is the social, showing patience, having teacher to speak few words about our assembly.
గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు గారికి, నా తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులకు, ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులందరికీ శుభోదయం. ఈరోజు మీ స్నేహితులు విధేయత అంటే చాలా చక్కగా వివరించారు. మనం ఈ స్థానంలో ఉన్నందుకు కారణం భగవంతుడు. కాబట్టి భగవంతుడి పట్ల మనం విధేయత కలిగి ఉండాలి. ఆ తరువాత మనకు కావలసిన అవసరాలన్నింటినీ తీరుస్తూ మన సంతోషం కోసం కష్టపడుతున్న తల్లిదండ్రుల పట్ల విధేయత కలిగి ఉండాలి. మన లక్ష్యాలను నెరవేర్చుకునేందుకు మనకు ఎన్నో మార్గదర్శకాలను ఇస్తూ మనకు సూచనల ద్వారా మనకు ముందుకు నడిపిస్తున్న ఉపాధ్యాయుల పట్ల విధేయత కలిగి ఉండాలి. మనం ఏదైనా పని చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు మొదట ఆ పని పట్ల మనం విధేయత కలిగి ఉండి నేను ఈ పని చేయగలను అనే నమ్మకంతో, దృఢ సంకల్పంతో ఆ పని చేసినట్లయితే మనం ఆ లక్ష్యాలను సులభంగా గమ్యాన్ని చేరుకోవచ్చు. మన ప్రవర్తన బట్టి, విధేయతను బట్టి మనకు మాత్రమే కాకుండా మన తల్లిదండ్రులకు, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, పాఠశాలకు కూడా మంచి గుర్తింపు వస్తుంది. చివరిగా ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు గారికి, నా తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులకు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ ముగిస్తున్నాను.
I call upon our principal brother to speak few words about our assembly.
Good morning, teachers and parents and students. Very good morning to all of you. How are you all? What is the theme of the assembly? All of you together? Obedience. Let us give big applause to class. Third Lily, the class teacher, and the students. They have clearly explained to you, the students have clearly mentioned to you, you need to be obedient to God, obedient to your parents, obedient to your teachers, and to all the elders. Obedience gives joy and happiness. If you obey whatever your elders tell you, all the elders, your parents, teachers, above your age, whoever is there, if they tell you to do something good, mostly they will tell you to do something good, and if you follow whatever they tell you, then you are being obedient. How many of you complete your homeworks every day? All of you complete your homeworks every day, whatever is given? Very good. Then that means you are obedient. Clap for yourselves. Very good students you are. How many of you follow all the rules and regulations of the school? All the rules and regulations. Very good. Clap for yourselves. That means you are obedient. When your teacher is asking you to go in line, keeping your hands back, if you are walking in straight line, that means you are obedient. If you are speaking in English in the classroom, you are obedient. What if your teacher, while your teacher is teaching you, if you are silently paying attention, listening to your teacher, whatever your teacher is teaching you, and trying to understand, you are obedient. And when you have doubts, what you should do when you have doubts when your teacher is teaching? How? Very good. You must raise your hands first. You should not say teacher, teacher, teacher. Some students in between the class, they disturb like that. You should not disturb. Whenever you have a doubt, what you must do? Yes, you must raise your hand so that other students are not disturbed and teacher also completes her whatever she has to say, then she will ask you what is your doubt. If you ask like that when everybody is listening, everybody's doubts also will be clear. So you have to be obedient and keeping your classroom neat. Where you should throw the waste papers or after pen. Yes, you must use your wrappers after eating chocolates. You must use dustbin. Even if there is something here and there. Even in your house also. If something is lying down here and there, you must keep it in proper place. Then you are obedient. Following all these rules and regulations makes you happy first, makes your elders whoever is giving you instructions, your teachers or your parents, then it makes them happy and you will also become a successful person later on. All of you should continue to be obedient always. And those students, we have told them they should be in the class by 8:15. But see those students here, have they come by 8:15? Those students that side, have they come? No. All the students by 8:15 you should be in the classroom. That means they are obedient. All of you are obedient here. You are here on time. Give applause to each other. Very good. We are following rules and regulations, and that's why we are able to start the assembly on time, and you are able to spend time for your class also. Have a nice day and be obedient. Thank you.
Thank you, brother, for your valuable message. Today's thought for the day: obedience is a key that unlocks God's promises. I repeat, obedience is a key that unlocks God's promises.
Now I request our principal brother to give prizes for the winners. I request all of you please sit. Dictation competition for class 1 and 2. Shreyanshi Smaranika from second rows secured first place. Ritushina from second Julian secured first place. K. Diyarov secured first place. D. Nehansh from second Lily secured first place.